Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Nextdoor app. So all you have to do in the first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on notifications here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open with you here. So then it's going to show for you like this here. Click here on my activity here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here until we found here local event updates. Click in this sign here. Can you disable it for email and here for app? Down here for Nextdoor notifications, just click on it. Like you see here, color it's gone. That's my local events updates notifications enable with us, disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.